We just finished a sectoral meeting with the President at isa sa mga inatasan niyang pag-aralan namin is paano wag mag-diminish or mabawasan yung halaga ng mga financial assistance or grants na ibinibigay natin sa ating mahihirap na kababayan. We were tasked to work with PSA and NEDA to find the best index to use to make sure na ang tulong pinansyal, whether the 4-piece grants or I guess all other social protection that we do, make sure namin na hindi siya napag-iiwanan kung nagkaroon ng spikes like inflation. That was the gist of the meeting kanina. Kasi nga, bahagi ng thrust ng ating Pangulo ay masigurado na ang social protection hindi lang ginagawa, kundi angkop sa panahon, angkop sa pangangailangan. It's not only about being timely, but it's also being responsive and making sure it's the right amount that you need.